Ministry will say that the application is rejected. To click on that, the process is a little different. You can work in Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah. In Google, you have to type. So now we will move on to MOH. MOH means Ministry of Health UAE. So with this MOH, you can work in Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, then Ajman, Al Quwain. So in MOH, the process is a little different. You have to do MOH registration. So I will show the website. In Google, you have to type Ministry of Health and Prevention UAE. You can type. So you will direct to the Ministry website. And you have to log in to the Ministry of Health website. Ministry of Health and Prevention. Here you can do the sign up. So here, this is the page for the MOH. And here is create new account. You can create, or if you have already created means you can log in here. So this is the Ministry of Health and Prevention website. We have to do the sign up and then you have to log in the page. You have to click on services. In services, there is individual services there. In individual services, healthcare specialist service, you have to click on that, and you can select the health professional evaluation. So medical professional evaluation, you can click on that. Then you have to fill up all the details. So like this, you will be having MOH website. You have to do the request regarding that. Whatever documents you have to upload. Your education certificate, college transcript, mark list, your 12th standard certificate, passport, photograph, then license, your home country license renewed, and the old initial registration copy also you have to keep. Good standing certificate from your home country you have to keep. All these documents you have to upload, and your experience certificate also. The previous experience certificate also you can upload in Ministry of Health website, and you have to do the registration. There is registration fees. For the nurses it is 260 dirhams. For the technicians it will be 310 dirhams, around like that. And for doctors it will be 506 dirhams, like that amount it will be there. You have to pay that amount. Then the ministry will evaluate your case. So once ministry evaluate your case, ministry will say that the application is rejected. You have to complete CMA training, or you have to provide recent 2-year experience. In that case, what you will do? That is our step, how we have to meet the CMA training in UAE MOH, under UAE MOH. For meeting up the CMA training process in Ministry of Health, we have to meet 2 hospitals. That is University Hospital Sharjah or Tumbe Hospital Ajman. So these 2 places, MOH is approved practical settings. APS, we will say APS, approved practical setting facility. So there is in the website for ministry like Tumbe Hospital Ajman, there is contact number is there. You can contact them and ask them to connect it to the training department or CNE department. Then they will give complete direction what further process we have to do. Or you can connect to the, I called University Hospital Sharjah. So they will connect to you the education department or training department. You can speak with them. What you have to do and when you have to come there, when what is the duration of the course and when it is starting, everything you can tell. So if your experience gap 2 to 3 years for the nurses, you should meet 4 months training. So you have to inform them you need 4 months of training, CMA training. As I am a nurse, like that you can inform them. Or doctors also, everyone, okay, for all medical professionals you can inform them. They will guide you for the next process, how much you have to do the payment, all these things they will guide you. Maybe they will ask you to visit their office and they will guide you also. So you can visit there and you can pay particular amount for the course and complete your training in that particular hospital. So with that CMA certificate, training certificate, same like DHA we have done. So get the good standing certificate from that facility. So good standing certificate, CMA training experience certificate, and there are so many classes will be conducting there in the hospital itself. Whenever you are free, you have to attend the free classes, you can attend there itself. other courses you have to pay the fees also for the CPD hours. So once you complete the particular CPD points and your CMA training, then what is the next process? You have to come back to your application, MOH application again, and you have to resubmit the application with these certificates, your good standing certificate and CMA training certificate CPD points. Then MOH will approve your application and they will provide you the data flow payment link. Then you have to pay the data flow particular amount. After that they will approve for the exam process. So once you approve for the exam process, then you complete the exam and you pass the exam, then you will get the MOH evaluation letter. Once you receive the MOH evaluation letter, soon you can search for the job with that. Evaluation letter plus CV, you can select any facility and the facility will activate your MOH private license or MOH electronic license will be activated by the facility. This is the program for CMA training under MOH. If you have any query regarding your CMA training under MOH, you can send a mail training@mohap.gov.ae. And next we have two more Emirates in UAE, Abu Dhabi and Al Ain. So in Abu Dhabi and Al Ain, to work as a medical professional, to clear the experience gap, there also we need the CME hours or CPD points. There also DOH, Department of Health approved APS facility will be there, approved practical setting facility will be there. So in that facility we have to do the CMA training. For that we have to contact the DOH. So training@doh.gov.ae, you can send mail and send all your documents, your passport and all your documents and what is your requirement. Just send a mail to them. They will guide you where you have to go for this training. Government approved practical settings, they will guide you to do the training. You have to do complete training and you have to pay the particular fees for the training also. Then you can activate your DOH license. You have to do the data flow process and TAM application credentialing process. Then after that exam process. Once you complete the exam, then the facility can activate the license. This is the process for DOH, Department of Health CMA training program. I hope you understood how to clear your experience gap. So don't worry now onwards, if you have experience gap, you can do the CMA training. No need to make any fake certificate, fake experience certificate from your home country, and you will be in trouble later for this data flow process. Once you get the native data flow, you can't work anywhere in Gulf countries. For more videos and updates, please subscribe Nursing Madra YouTube channel. Thank you.